how exciting for Lavoie to be on the cusp of shooting a 300 game, 23 years old, and assured of going into the finals for a chance at the US Open Championship. Gotta hurry.
10th. Yes!
Oh.
It did hurry Marshall Holman. Two more to go.
We'll take a look at this ball. This is a little bit right off his hand, but it's got the right speed. It picks up the roll and tickles him over. Goodbye, goodbye, bucket.
Any bowler rules a 300 game on tonight's telecast receives a $10,000 bonus courtesy of Pepsi, the official soft drink of bowling. 2 away from that.
I was going to say he's finishing on the tougher of the 2 lanes, but it doesn't look like he has a tougher of the 2 lanes. For 11.
11 straight. What do you say? Merci bien. Woo! Monsieur Lavoie. This is fun to watch. Now is here, certainly is our BPA moment of the match. The 11th for Francois. Down, now it's number 12. Can he do it? One more.
I say yes. I absolutely say yes. For a piece of history, young man.
$10,000 bonus. You better believe it, he did it! A perfect 300 game for Francois Lavoie. C'est magnifique.
C'est magnifique. I'll tell you right now, if I'm Marshall Kent, I am thrilled that Lavoie shot 300 because that has to take some energy out of him. It just has to.
Perfection. The first ever televised 300 game at a US Open final. History made tonight for Francois Lavoie of Quebec City. #12th and final shot. Locked into the 1-3 pocket the entire match. And in a moment, my Hall of Fame partner, Marshall Holman, land level will talk to the happy winner who's $10,000 richer. Francois Lavoie has bowled a perfect 300 game tonight in Vegas.